Hey guys, this is Sean McCauley with Cloud Defensive, and today we're going to take a look at the new revised MCH 2.0. This happened because we listened to you guys directly, and the feedback we were getting on the 2.0 was phenomenal. They've been a huge success. One of the loudest voices in the room, though, was that you guys wanted more control over your light. Specifically the output, right? So there's guys who wanted high mode only, and then there's guys who wanted low then high, and then high then low. So we listened, and we actually made an inline change here, and so now what we've got is a new offering for you with some enhancements. And the biggest function here is that you've now got complete authority over your light. So what you can do is, when you receive this, it's going to ship to you in a high mode only configuration. So that's what this one is, fresh off the assembly line. When you fire that light, you get all the power. It's hot on my hand right there. And if you want to change the modes, all you're going to do is you're going to enter programming mode, and you're going to tell the light how you want it to operate. So I'm just going to spin around here. I'm going to face my wall a little bit, and that way you can see the light. So you'll worry less about me, more about what you're seeing there, and we're going to actually demonstrate how to program this thing. So to enter programming mode, all we're going to do is you're going to rapidly strobe your light until it strobes back at you in a low setting there. So there's mode 1. So if I want mode 2, I tap it 1, 2, it flashes. If I want mode 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's say I want to lock that mode in, so I want the third mode. I'll click it. That'll tell the light to, hey, set on this mode. So what you're going to get with mode 3 is high then low. So in this case, the light's now set for a high to low configuration. High being 100% power. The next click gets you low, which is 10% power. So super easy to enter. Now you might say, well, what if I want to change the modes? Super easy. Same concept, just rapidly strobe it until it strobes back at you. You enter mode 1 again, so now you're in mode 1. Just like that, you lock it in, so if you just want to go back to high, now I'm there. And now every time I hit that button, I'm getting high mode. And just to show you guys one other thing, we built 2 modes in at the back end, right? So there's a total of 5 modes. You've got high only is mode 1, and then you've got low to high as mode 2. You've got high to low as mode 3, and then you've got, I don't want to mess this up, low, medium, high as mode 4, and then high, medium, low as mode 5. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to take it up to mode 5. So we're actually going to cycle through all the modes. We're going to get to the back end of that, and then you're going to see that last mode, which should be high, medium, and then low. So the definition of that for the record here, high being 100% power, medium being 30% power, and then we have an ultra low setting at 5%. So that's pretty cool if you're talking about admin level usage on this thing. We actually did that a little different. So we're just going to cycle through. So I'm just going to strobe this thing until it strobes back at me. There's mode 1, mode 2, 1, oops, 1, 2, 3, good, 1, 2, 3, 4, going one more time here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we got it. So again, you're just going to click that in, and now we're in that 5th mode, which will show you high, medium, which is actually a pretty cool, at 30% output on this thing, it's really usable light, but you're going to get a metric ton of runtime. And then if you want an ultra low mode, hopefully the camera picks that up, you've got 5%. So super easy to do. And again, anytime you want to change the mode, if you just want to go back and let's say your application changes and you just need high all the time, every time you enter programming mode, you start back at the first mode. So it makes it super easy to do it. You just tap it again. There's mode 1. Lock it in, and now every time I hit it, full mode, full power all the time. Super easy. I think you guys are absolutely going to love that feature. I think this is going to appeal to a lot more people now, to be honest. And yeah, these are the finest lights we've ever made, so enjoy. Thanks, guys.